Hi guys, welcome back to my channel made by Yuma. If you are new to my channel, please watch this video, and if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And in today's tutorial we are going to see about a simple crochet string pattern. So this can also be used as a headband or a handbag handle. So there are multiple purpose for this particular pattern. So let's see what are the things we need. We would need an acrylic yarn and the crochet hook that suits the yarn, and also a pair of scissors. So first let's take the tail end of the yarn and make a slip knot. So if you're a beginner, please check out my video on Crochet Basics. That would be really helpful for you. Make 4 chain here. So once 4 chains are done, insert the hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch there. So we have to insert at the front loop, or you can do it at the back loop as well, any of the two loops, and make a slip stitch here. So once the slip stitch is done, continue to do 3 chain stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now yarn over and insert the hook into the center, grab the yarn and just yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. This is incomplete double crochet, and we have to repeat that one more time. Just yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops in hand. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So we just made one half of the petal here. Then we have to make chain 1, and we have to make 3 incomplete double crochet here into the circle. So this is the first one, first incomplete double crochet. So for incomplete double crochet, we'll be just pull through, doing the pull through for the first 2 loops, and again doing it for the second time, and one more time. Yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, grab the yarn and yarn over and pull through only the first 2 loops. So now we have 3 incomplete double crochets here. Yarn over and pull through all the loops that we have on the crochet hook. So then flip the pattern, insert the hook into the center part where we just did one chain, right? So insert the hook over there, grab the yarn and do a slip stitch, that is without doing a yarn over, just do a slip stitch directly into the chain. Now chain 3, we're going to repeat the pattern hereafter. So it's chain 3 and then 2 incomplete double crochet into that single chain hole there. So this is the first incomplete double crochet, and then we have to make the second incomplete double crochet here. So just complete the loop, then make one chain and then 3 incomplete double crochet into that loop. This is the first incomplete double crochet, and then we have to do 2 more times, second and then the third one. So now grab the yarn and pull through all the loops that we have in hand. So this completes the second petal of this crochet string. Now we're gonna flip it and make a slip stitch into the center part of the petal, like what we did in the previous petal, and continue to repeat the pattern. So this is chain 3, 2 incomplete double crochet. So the pattern is going to repeat hereafter. I'm gonna work through the length I would want. So I will see you at the end. So with this stitch I'm planning to complete this cord. So I have done a desired length of the crochet cord, and it looks really beautiful. It looks little twisted because of the thread, so I just have to keep it under some strong surface so that it gets flat, or I can iron it once. So this is how the beautiful string pattern is done. So this crochet cord can be used as a headband or as a handbag handle, or you can use it as a simple bracelet for Rakhi, or just for a fashion you can just use it on your hand. So it has got multiple ways to use and decorate even your home. So I hope you like this video and the tutorial, and please share it with your friends and family if you really like this video. I will meet you in yet another interesting video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Signing off from you guys. Thank you.